Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm with Horan. Today with the amazing site. First of all, I will tell the site name. The site name is IKEA.com. So IKEA.com is the amazing site. You can earn money home everywhere. First of all, how to get login? Just put in your email, then login password, then security password, then invite code, then sign up the button. So this is the information of IKEA site. So I will fill on permission. Then I will tell the next step. So friends, we will log in the site. Now you have to see in the IKEAmall.com invite you to join IKEA store. This is the mall invite to investment from all the world and friends with strength and welcome to contact us. When a new member registration give 40 USD. So you have to just read all the thing and I know the button. So we have to see in this we have deposit, withdraw, share, team and IKEA home find and download app. Company profile we have fiber crystal N6 ball 6.0 and you have to see price of different task here and crystal moon unicorns crystal set have to price the faster charger melon and unspeakable and you have to see baby for newborn baby high quality clay pot and you have to see silicone powered USB and Mako flux cord and member list here live session here. So first section is how to get deposit. Just click the deposit and you have to see in this we just simple click the button of deposit and you have to just the section open of deposit section. First of all copy this address and put in your TRC20 wallet address. First of all copy this address and open the TRC20. So friends, here we are the trust wallet session. From the button then you get your recharge amount. So guys, first step is I will tell you how to get deposit. Just confirm the button, then so after recharge back to the site, just click the recharge completed and you have to see this you have to recharge is completed. So now we have the time for the product selling and just click the button and you have to see just price 5 one PC luxury full metal black. Open it and you have to see this the mission is go finish. Just before finish we have some rules. So guys, just go to finish, click the button and you have to see this the fiber castle ball pen draw. So guys, mission is completed. Now you have to see this the mission is complete. Before we have 40, you have to the total balance is 40.01. So now we have time for withdraw. Just click the button withdraw and you have to click the button withdraw and you have to see 0.01. So guys, enter your card and enter your Tron address, enter your security password, then confirm. So guys, first of all the copy address of the RC20. So friends, here we are. Just click on receive and you have to see in this you have to see just copy this address back to the site and withdraw the button and enter your paste address, then enter your amount code 0.01. Okay, 0.01 0.01 and enter your security password. Okay, just you can put in your security password, then confirm the button. So with this is the procedure of how to get withdraw. So guys, we will done the withdraw section. This is the mind the button. You have to see 40.0 balance. This is the account detail here. You have to see in this. This is the if you want to change your password, then you can change it. This is the finance record here. You have to see in this 40 point balance in my account and withdraw section. You have to see this. So friends, before withdraw we have some the task here. You have seen 0.1 cute fret albert gel pen and just open it and you have to see this we have two tasks here. So one by one we go click the button go finish and you have to see this just go to finish and you have to see successfully. Again go to finish and you have to see this the finish is completed. So now we have time for withdraw. Just simply withdraw, open the button and put in your TRC20 wallet other, enter security pass, then confirm. So first of all copy the TRC20. So friends, here we are, enter your paste address. So have to just put in your paste address enter your quote 0.51 0.51. Just you have to put then enter your security password. Okay, so guys, fulfill all information, then confirm the button, and you have to see this the withdraw is successful. So guys, you have to see this total balance is 0.0. Withdraw is successful. Now we have to time for I will show you the finance and prove the withdraw section. So guys, mind the button, you have to see this, and just simply click the button of finance, and you have to see this 40 is my, and withdraw account is 0.51 USD in my account. So guys, we've done the withdraw. So guys, next step is you have to see in the VIP section. You have to see if you have any investment, then get any VIP. You have seen VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5, VIP 6, VIP 7, VIP 8, and VIP 9. You have to see this. This is the AliExpress, and you have to see this team section. We have first of all copy this link and invite code. Send your friends and family members. They will get rewards many time. Post your Instagram through Facebook and Telegram, Twitter. So we have level 1, level 2, level 3 here, and mission. You have to see this completed task here. This is the home section. So guys, if you have any problem, then click the button on headphone. They solve our problem through Telegram. So guys, hope you are well. See you to the next video. Take care.